Hello friends, welcome to the Polymer project video tutorial. Today we're gonna show the paper dash shadow element uh, in the Polymer project. Okay, it's a very simple. First of all, I would like to tell you some attributes and a single method of paper dash shadow. What is that? Okay, but before that, I'm gonna show you the simple example of paper dash shadow. Okay, here is the example. We have a 5 divs. Okay, 1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, after that I have a set of different values to that div. Then it shows the different shadow behind the div. Okay, if I set to 0, it's a default, there is no shadow. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, at once you can set the shadow for your divs or whatever the element you have. Okay, and the second that is the animation of the shadow. Okay, I'm clicking on a single one, then it gives the z is equals to 1. Z is the property by which you can specify the shadow. You can set a weight of a shadow. Okay, by clicking on a second time, it the z value will be 2, after 3, after 4 and after 5. Okay, and after again I am clicking on it, reduces the value. Okay, and the same way for this, it's a round rectangle, right guys? So here are some properties for that. It's a very simple, just paper dash shadow. After that you have to set the z value. Okay, and the animation. Okay, this is the animation property. By default it's a false, and if you set it true, and whenever we change the z value, it will change with the animation. It will not set directly, it animate that, and after that it will set to. Okay, and if you want to dynamically set the values, then we have a set z value method. Through this you can set the values of a paper dash shadow. Okay, now let's open the example. Root, polymer, power components, and paper dash shadow. Yes, got it. This open with Dreamweaver. Okay, as usual guys, I have lots of time I have said that we need a specific files, that is the web component. Just it's a compulsory file, and if you want to use the paper dash shadow, then you have to import this file as well. Okay, and after that I have some little css for the div, for the section, for my card, and .feb class. Okay, here I have created a template which is auto binding. Okay, and in sections, as usual, I have already told you that I have to set the z properties to 0 1 2 3 4 and up to 5. Okay, it will automatically set the shadow behind your element. Okay, after that in each we have assign a class card. Okay, now what is the card? Card is a display inline block, background is white, box shadow, width 100 by 100 and margin 16 by 16 with a border radius 2. Right, and now the important is this one. Okay, whenever we click on the tab, okay, whenever we click on the tab, it will increase the animation, increase the shadow, or reduces the shadow. This is done by the script. Okay, so here if you notice, we have a section with on tap section, on tap event, and we have a tap action too. Okay, and after that by clicking on a tab button, it animated, that means it's animation true, set to by default it's both are 0 with animation layout center screen. Okay, and we have applied one for card and second for fab. Fab, what is fab? Fab is this the one property is different, that is the border dash radius to 50%. That means we want to display the circle one. Right, now here we have get a query to my template. Okay, we got the scope, that means whatever we want to do within the template. Okay, after that scope dot tap action. Where is the tap action? This is the tap action. Okay, is equal to, we have a function, and we are getting the target. If the target is down, right, then set z to +1, and if the target dot z is 5, then target is down to true. Okay, by default the target is false. Okay, we haven't set the down value, it will false, but we have assign a not in front of it. That means first time it will get true, and it will increase the value of z property to 1 by 1 by 1. At the point of 5, the value gets true, and after that it will execute the else part. In that we have set minus minus to up to 0. Okay, this is the simple script. Okay, I hope you guys have a little bit programming knowledge, or if you have done some applications for the native or as well as in the hybrid applications. It's a very simple stuff. Okay, or you can also do it with the native pure jQuery or pure JavaScript. Okay, you do not need to use the you do not need to follow all the structures of the Polymer project. Okay, you can do by writing your own JavaScript. Okay, but it's you can say it will not give you the exact animation and all that features if you follow the your pure jQuery or JavaScript code. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Need your feedback and suggestions, you can send it on my YouTube channel, that is the Web Boostings. And if you want to learn more about the different technologies for the mobiles and for web-based applications, you can follow on infologs.in/videos. Okay, you will get all type of videos at one place for free, and very soon you're gonna able to download the exercise files or for the demo applications. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye bye.